Hello and welcome back to the second part of our series, how to build a weekly meal planner and how to deploy it to Netlify. And then in the next part, we want to use Supabase as persistent layer as well. Here in the background, you can see the app we built in part 1. And now we gonna deploy it to Netlify. I quickly show you how you can get your project back, which is here on the bottom with clone a GitHub repo. Just click there, then search in your repositories, here, YouTube Meal Planner, and click import. We don't have much branches, so just let the default. Okay, everything okay, and it's imported. It will now start up, and our app is back. Everything working as expected. Okay, and now we want to start deploying it to Netlify. Therefore, we go to the Netlify page. So you can go just to netlify.com. And if you don't have an account, just click sign up. Okay, I'm now logged in. Let's quickly do it in a private session. Sign up. And you can then choose how to log in. I would recommend using the GitHub because we want to deploy from GitHub anyway, but you can also use other methods as well as signing up with just an email. Okay, as soon as you are logged in, you can go here on sites on the left side, or you have it as start page as I have. Then you have the button here on top, add new site. And we want to import an existing project from GitHub. So we just click this, then we can again choose from different providers. We choose GitHub. Then normally it would ask you for authorization. You go just through it and authorize it. I'm already logged in and I can see my apps here as well. But here on the bottom is a configure Netlify app on GitHub where you can click, and I have to log in. And as soon as you are logged in, you can decide what permissions Netlify has on your GitHub repository. I have it just permitted on selected repositories and not everything. So you can then choose here which it should have access and just choose the YouTube Meal Planner, in my case, and yours, your app. Okay, then it's here in the list and you can just select it. You can give it a site name. Team is okay. You have a free account. You only have got one team you can use. Then you can give it a site name. I will call it YouTube Meal Planner. So you then get the URL as well here. You can check if it is available. Yes, mine is available. We choose the main branch here again. Base directory is okay. We can leave it, as well as the rest is default for our project, so everything is fine. And then we just have to click on deploy YouTube Meal Planner. Wait a bit. Deployment in progress. We can now click here on deploying your site to see what's going on. It's still running. There should be, yeah. Now there are some logs, so we can see what it's doing. It's initializing at the moment. And after this, building and deploying. Shouldn't take that long. Let's wait a bit. Yeah. And building is also done, was pretty fast. Deploying also done. Okay, everything is done. So we can go back on top and here click on Open Production Deploy. And that's it. Our website is now deployed here on the domain. We can use it as well. And check the recipes as well. They are working. The import is working. Shopping list, let's check this. Yeah, working as well. Also the export is working here. I think it was not working here, but I'm not sure. No, it's not working within the web container, but this function works on the deployed side. And the share button is also working, just not showing much, but the basic function is there. I would say now let's do a quick change, because on every change and we push it to the GitHub repository, it will automatically update the NETLIFY application as well. So let's do this. Let's change just the color scheme. Change the color scheme to green. Let's see what we get. In the meantime, I can check the GitHub name again. Let me see, here it is. Oh, sorry, we don't see it here. Let's go directly to GitHub. Here is it. So we need this name again to push. As you may remember, it does not know from cloning at the moment. It's maybe fixed in another release, but at the moment it's not. Okay. Looks like it did not change any colors. Let's try again. Change the header color to green. So we got something we can see easily on the deployed side then. I will pause shortly. Okay, it's done. And as we see now, our header is green. So let's go back to the code tab here on top. Click on, that's not working good. Push here, push to GitHub again, here on top right. Use the name from the GitHub repository again and push. Yes, we want to modify or add. And everything was pushed to Git now. Then let's go back to NETLIFY. Go to site overview, I guess. Yeah, and we already see here that it started building again and deploying. So we should see in a few seconds the new design online. So we didn't have to trigger anything. It's automatically starting when pushing something to the GitHub main branch. I will pause until it's finished. Okay, everything is done. Let's go to our deployed site, click refresh. Looks like something is broken. Maybe just cache problem. Yeah, was just a cache problem. Yeah, everything is working as expected. Perfect. So as you see, it's very easy to deploy to Netlify from Bolt via Git. So let's try it out and hope to see you in the next one, where we want to try to implement the Supabase integration so we can save our selected meals and the recipes, as well as the shopping list within the database. And we also want a sign in. So we got some users and every user can save its own stuff. Hope this helps and see you in the next one. Bye.